Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I did this vampire look for upcoming Halloween. And if you guys want to see how I get this look, then keep on watching. Alright, let's get the hair out of the way. And then I'm gonna prime my face with Olay Luminous with I cannot really get over this primer. It smells really amazing. Next, I'm gonna correct my mouth with Cover FX Click Correction in Peach. And then I'm gonna blend that out with foundation brush from Coastal Scent number 3. I'm gonna go with Prime and Ready from Collection Cosmetic. This is actually my first Halloween looks that I ever create. It was maybe 4 years or 5 years ago. I'm setting my correction with Wet n Wild contouring palette. Time for foundation. My aim today is to look a little bit gray because vampire dead, right? So I'm gonna going with Fenty Beauty in shade that is lighter than my normal skin tone, which is 320. And then I'll mix it with NYX color correction liquid in blue. So this will neutralize the undertone. And then let's bounce. And then take it down to the neck. I look dead now. That's good. For contouring, I will go with Sephora 10-Hour Wear Perfection Foundation. And this is in shade Matte Tan. Now I'm gonna set the face with Mercier. Set the face for the first time. For eyebrows, I will go with Smashbox Jet Set Waterproof Gel Liner. Because this one is black, so I want to have really intense eyebrow. Alright, brows are done. Now I'm gonna contour my face even more. And I will be going into Collection Cosmetic Contour Kit. And I'm using Coastal Scent number 5. For the eyes, I'll be using Smashbox palette in Smokey Eye palette. And I'll be going into this shade right here with Coastal Scents number 15. And I'm going to find my actual bone shade. I just quickly fill them in with the same shade, and now I look like a panda. Next, I'm gonna go with this brown shade right here with fluffier brush. I'm just gonna blend the edge out. Next, I'm going back to Smashbox gel liner, and I'm gonna put that on my lash line. Now I'm gonna smoke that out with this shade right here. And then going back into this brown shade, I'm gonna blend everything out again. I just deepen my contour up, and now I'm gonna do it with my nose. Now I'm gonna put a little bit of mascara and lashes, and I will be right back. And then for veins, I'm gonna be using Morphe Dare to Create palette, and I will go into the shade called Pine and the shade called Cut Crease and the shade called Indigo. And I'm gonna mix all of them to create veins. I will be using the brush from Sigma E05. Really tiny brush. Now the veins are done. Moving on to the lips, I will be going into Maybelline Nude Lust. And next, I'm gonna go with Fenty Beauty Stunner Lips in Uncensored. Just gonna tap that on the center eyelid. And I'm gonna go with this shade called Cat Eye with pencil brush. Whee! Oops, my hand's really dirty. And then I'm just gonna put it where I put red lipstick.